Not sure if you're doing diapers right or just hoping for fewer leaks? Here's how to change a diaper step by step and tips to make it easier for both you and baby. Always start with clean hands, and if you're on the go, just use hand sanitizer. Always set your changing table up first. You want to have everything you might need when you're changing your diaper. Diaper cream, baby wipes, a diaper or two, and a change of clothes in case there's a mess. So I'm getting my wipes ready. I usually pull one or two out. I always fold one into a square so that I can cover up on top so there's not an accidental fountain. I always put the clean diaper underneath the baby before I start. It helps to protect your bedding and his clothes. Unfasten your diaper, open it up, cover up, and then see what you got going on. So I will take my diaper and I will kind of wipe down and tuck. That helps take care of some of the mess right away. You always want to wipe front to back and use a clean diaper wipe every time. For little girls, front to back is very important, and then for little boys, you want to make sure you get underneath the scrotum. So then I roll everything up into the diaper. When you're going to be using diaper cream, I will squeeze a little bit out on the back of my hand before I get started. That way it's in a convenient location and I don't have to let go of the baby's feet. Diaper cream is really great at both preventing and helping to heal any type of breakdown that's happening on the baby's bottom. You want to apply it generously, not too thin. And now we're ready to close up. You want to make sure that it's nice and snug around the waist, the legs, to prevent leaks. You should be able to stick your fingers in easily, but there shouldn't be any gaps. A diaper will fit properly on a baby if it's hitting at their natural waist. If they still have an umbilical cord, you will fold it down under the umbilical cord. Now we're ready to wash our hands again, and then we can redress the baby.